Hey, this is Eddie with Multiman Services. Was wanted to introduce myself and film a quick video about what you can expect with your gutter replacement. I'll walk around, kind of point out what I'm noticing now and the improvements that we'll make with your new gutter install. And if you look down below, you'll see the options, and let's walk around and start talking about that. Okay. What's going on with your gutters is they used inferior gutter brackets, and over time those brackets just get bent, and they can't handle the weight of the debris that gets in there. It looks like your roof is at least 7 years young or less, so that's good. So I'm noticing that your original gutters are made out of steel, and they don't make gutters that way anymore. They're all made out of aluminum. These are K-style gutters, and so you never have to worry about rusty gutters anymore. One bit of the gutters that we install now, these are 5-inch gutters, so we're going to install a larger gutter at 6 inches, and your downspouts are 2x3, and we're going to install 3x4 downspouts, so a bigger outlet for more flow. We've had a lot of hard, heavy rains that come fast. So the resistance point for a lot of gutters is just they don't have enough exit point for water to get out. So we'll take care of that with the larger downspouts, aluminum gutters that don't have any seams. It'll be one full length of gutter that will have a pitch that leads all the way over to here. And that seems like a good plan to route the water over here. And then this one over here, I like the way it's currently routed. We're going to route the downspout over there. Larger downspout, of course. And I'm not the biggest fan of this style here, but we can continue on with that pattern if you'd like, and make sure that it goes into the gutter and not just halfway in there. You can kind of see how it's been installed. Water flies everywhere. Bring that over here. The extension, we don't really have much for mulch beds or rock beds, so we'll make this out to similar to where it is, unless you guide us to make it longer. If you'd like it longer, I generally suggest to go with a black corrugated drain tile. That way you can kick it, you can step on it, and it's not going to flatten itself. Those aluminum downspouts, if anybody kicks it, it ends up, damaged and flimsy over time. So the black corrugated drain tile will be a good solution for when you're like mowing the grass and stuff. So this downspout here, we're going to exhaust it out to here, and then continue on with the same plan with where the downspouts are. We're just going to go with a bigger gutter, bigger downspout, stronger brackets, and you'll be in good shape there. So I'm pretty happy with the drip edge. I'm happy with the way the shingles are. We just need to get some newer, more efficient gutters on your home. So that includes your home, and get all that taken care of. This downspout would exhaust to about right here, kind of like how it is, onto your sidewalk, and that would handle and fix all of that. And as many trees as you have, and as small as the leaves are on these trees, to be quite honest with you, let's have a brief conversation about gutter guards. It doesn't matter what type of gutter guard you go with, they all stink. Even the expensive ones, or even the ones I offer, eventually the gutter guards are not going to perform properly, and you're going to need to do some sort of roof maintenance. Blow off the debris off the top of your roof, and blow off any debris that may have sitting on top of the guards. Flush out the gutter system with an under Roto-Rooter hydro jet flush out any of that mud down to the downspout. So just wanted you to be realistic about gutter maintenance. You're going to need to clean out your gutters at least twice a year if you want to protect your investment after you install these gutters. And then I believe in a raindrop gutter guard system. I believe that's the best way to go to keep debris out of your gutters. You can watch below for a video on that. And look up YouTube Raindrop Gutter Guard. It's actually designed for the Midwest. It's a black plastic type guard, similar to what they make dashboards out of in cars. You don't have to worry about ice dams too much, because when the heat hits the top of the gutter guard, it heats it up, and it allows for your gutter system to melt and to flow out properly. So sorry for the long video. Hope this helped. If you have any questions about the proposal down below, or you'd like to go over some additional details, adjust some things, feel free to call or text me on my cell. Thank you. Look forward to working with you.